Okay, this is the speaking test of spoken English, batch number 1 to 2, and I'm your examiner. I will conduct your speaking test. And speaking test is divided into three parts. First of all, I'd like to move on part 1. Are you ready for starting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in speaking part 1, I would like to ask you some general questions. Let's talk about yourself first. What's your full name, please?
My full name is Sadia Akhtar Eka, but I usually go by Eka. You can call me Eka.
Okay, Eka, where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh, and my city name is Chattogram, and now I live in Hobbiganj.
Okay, got it. And what do you do? Do you work or are you a student?
I'm a student, but I also do a part-time job.
Okay, and what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is microbiology because it is easy to memorize, and also it's the heartbeat of science. That's why it's my favorite.
Okay, got it. And what's your goal?
In future, I want to be an ISBN officer because it is a honorable profession, and as well as it also have a honorable uniform which make me respectable in society as well as my family, friends, and cousins.
Got it. How many siblings do you have?
I have three siblings.
Okay, thank you very much. And here is an your speaking part 1. Move on speaking part 2, and in speaking part I'm going to give you a topic. You will have 1 minute for speaking. Okay. The topic is describe about mobile phone.
Well, today I feel immensely proud to talk about mobile phone because mobile phone is the essential thing for human lives because as well as we know it is a modern science. We don't think even one day without mobile phone. Mobile phone make our life easier as well as faster. If I talk about the study, mobile phone help us a lot. If As far as we remember, in 2019 or 20, we saw that every day we need to join traditional class, and if we face any kind of problem, that time we don't join the class, and we miss our attendance. But now we join the online class because of mobile phone. And if we face any kind of problem, that time we can talk our teacher with mobile phone, as well as he give us PDF or any kind of slide to memorizing or studying. And if I talk about the work purpose, then it will be great because mobile.
Okay, thank you, Eka ma'am. Here is ended your speaking part 2, and you covered up the speaking. Very nice. Move on speaking part 3, and in the final part of speaking test, I'm going to ask you some questions about traveling. Do you like traveling?
Yes, definitely. I'm a traveling person, and travel is a method which help me reduce my stress as well as my frustration.
Got it. And how often do you travel?
Actually, I travel once in a month because I do as a student I don't have enough time or money, so that's why I travel once in a month.
And what kind of places do you like to visit?
Actually, I like to visit historical place as well as traditional place, such as Shunargaon, Monamuti, and the traditional place is the oldest home or oldest school, which is now rejected by government.
Oh, got it. And do you prefer traveling alone or with others?
Actually, I prefer alone because whenever I travel alone, I can explore myself, and I know everything, and it helps me to know the situation as well as the weather and the history of this place. But whenever I travel with others, that time they quarrel with each other, and they create some problems which disturb me. That's why I always prefer alone.
Okay, got it. Thank you very much for speaking test, and here is ended.
Thank you.
Wish you good luck.
Thank you, sir.